Hi everyone, welcome to the vlog. It is Saturday, but by the time you see this, I feel like it's gonna be way past what day it is. So today is Saturday, December the 17th, and I'm not sure when this vlog is going to go up, probably after Christmas. I got a gift from a follower, and actually he wasn't a follower to begin with. I actually met him prior. So in I think 2016 or 2017 I met Michael. He's a beautiful fashion illustrator, so talented, and he drew a picture of me and Harley. I remember going up to him at the Maple View event and I asked him, can you incorporate my dog? And he did. So let me show you guys what that photo looks like. So you guys see this often. It's a picture of me and Harley. This is like the outfit I was wearing that day, and then you see the M there because it was a Maple View event, and then his signature here. But for the longest time I didn't know his Instagram. Fast forward, it's 2022 now, and Michael ended up finding me on Instagram and he ended up following me, not knowing that he actually illustrated me in the past. And I've literally been looking for him forever. I even went on the Maple View like Instagram trying to find it, but he ended up following me. And then one day I posted a picture, which I will insert here, and he recognized it. He was like, oh my god, that's my art. So Michael is super talented. He actually has done locally events for Prada, Links of London, Coach, Lamborghini. Like, he's very, very talented. So he ended up sending me an updated illustration, and this is my reaction to it. So he wrote me a little note. I'm like, oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna cry. Anyways, he sent it to me. So cutely packaged in Aritzia. Okay, you guys are gonna see it before me. Stop! Oh my god, that's beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Michael. Oh, seriously moved me to tears. Gorgeous. Hello everyone, it's Christmas Day, so Merry Christmas to those who celebrate. I just wanted to show you guys some things that I got from my friends that were so nice. My really good friend gifted me some stuff, and first of all, she got me this little Grogu, which is so cute. This was hand crocheted by someone named Debbie Sato, and I think she found this at the X this year. But how cute is that? It's a little Grogu. So I'm gonna place him somewhere. And then I got a new Stanley mug, which I'm so excited about. This one is the smaller one. This is the 30 ounce. I have the large, like 40 or 60 ounce one. Oh, I have a gibbet as well to put on my Crocs. This is Doraemon. But I got the white one for Christmas, and I'm excited because this is like the new one with a handle and then the leak-proof straw, so it's not gonna leak everywhere. I'm very excited for this because I have the old one, and then that one I find is like a little bit unmanageable to drink out of, and I typically drink out of this Starbucks tumbler, so I drink like 3 or 4 of these a day. And in general, I just got like a bunch of snacks from my friend. Like, she went to town gifting me snacks. There's a lot more in there, but I'm not gonna show you guys. What I thought was so thoughtful is she gifted me this blanket, which is so funny. It's this beautiful sage green. It has paw prints on it. It says Harley, and then it has this picture of Harley all over it. It's Harl's wearing a Disney headband. I think it's so funny. So I need to wash this because it smells like it came from the factory. So I'm gonna wash that after I film this video with you guys. And then my other friend gifted me this, which is so beautiful. I opened it and it actually made me cry. So I think this is gorgeous. I'm so excited because now I have, as you guys saw in the previous clip, like Michael gifted me that wonderful illustration that he did of me and Harley, and now I have this. This is a photo of Harley as well, so I'm so excited because this is just so stinking cute. So thank you to all my friends. You guys know who you are. I appreciate these gifts so much. Also, Lauren got me something crazy and wild, but where did it go? Okay, I'm literally just saturating all of the graham crackers, and it's not perfect. I don't have a food processor because I broke mine, so I just crushed this by hand. I'm going to take my loaf pan and dump that all in there. I have a parchment paper, and I did grease the pan as well, just to help the parchment stick, and also so the sides don't stick in there. So I'm just going to, had to switch over, because you gotta get all that goodness in there, guys. All that goodness. Anyways, tomorrow she's making me francesinha, which is a Portuguese sandwich. And I'm so excited. Okay, so now we're just going to pat this evenly down. We want this in an even, nice even layer. Sorry guys, my nose is runny. If you're a longtime viewer, you already know, got really bad chronic nose issues. They will never go away. Love this recipe because it's, okay, one, so easy to make, two, such a crowd pleaser. Oh my God, I cannot speak. Yeah, and she literally loves them so much. Then you're gonna need a can of sweetened condensed milk, and you're just gonna pour the whole can over this bad boy. Whole can over this bad boy. Yeah, this is not for diets. Okay, for toppings, I'm gonna do sliced almonds. Sorry, the lighting is so bad. Semi-sweet chocolate chips, milk chocolate chips, and my coconut shreds. And I'm literally just gonna go in and sprinkle it. See what I mean? This is such an easy recipe. I always have this stuff on hand. And I'm telling you, huge crowd pleaser. Sometimes I have white chocolate. Sometimes I have butterscotch. And then if you're allergic to nuts, you could always just omit the sliced almonds. And the shredded coconut. So I'm going to preheat my oven to 350, and then I'm gonna stick it in for 30 to 35 minutes. Oh my gosh, after all that, I forgot to show you guys what it looks like. This is literally a couple hours after it's cooled down, and you can see they look glorious. So gorgeous. So I can't wait to bring these to my friend.